Temperature is an example of an abiotic factor in an ecosystem. Give 2 other examples of abiotic factors which can affect organisms for 2 marks. When we think about this, we need to firstly remember what the definition of an abiotic factor is and what the definition of a biotic factor is. What's the difference? So an abiotic factor is a non-living component of an ecosystem, whereas a biotic factor is a living component, so it involves plants, animals themselves, and their interactions. So an abiotic factor, you can have any 2 of the following, and these are generic answers which are pretty much applicable to any question and any environment. So you can talk about the light intensity of an area. That's particularly important for plants, for photosynthesis. You can talk about the moisture levels, not only in the surrounding atmosphere, but also in the soil, for example. You can talk about the soil pH or the mineral content of the soil. You can talk about the wind intensity or the direction. You can talk about carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, also the carbon content of the soil, which relates to the minerals. And finally, you can talk about oxygen levels, so the oxygen concentration surrounding the area. Is it going to be aerobic respiration or is it going to have to be anaerobic respiration in low conditions?